I'm Tara, and I'm joined with Jana Sullivan, the Director of Consumer Information for the Tennessee Beef Industry Council. And Jana, we love coming over here. It always smells amazing. We enjoy beef year-round, but especially during the month of July, which happens to be Beef Month. So what are you cooking for us today?
So today we're fixing a Cali-Avocado salad. So this is a great, fresh, summer flavor salad, easy to throw together for your family. We're using a top sirloin steak. Top sirloin is a lean cut. It's also very cost effective, so perfect option for your family. We just put a little salt and pepper, drizzled a little olive oil, and put it on our grill pan on the stove. So we've already cooked that up. Then we have our naan bread. I love this bread, and it goes perfect with the salad. We also threw this on the grill. We drizzled it with a little olive oil and threw it on the grill pan as well. So I'm gonna have you use that extra olive oil to toss our salad. Then we have some oranges and avocados, and we actually grilled these avocados with the skin side up, and so we're gonna throw that in. So we have our oranges and avocado. I'll have you plate that there. And beef is a great source of protein. It also has 10 essential nutrients and vitamins, so this is a perfect option for your family. I'm gonna add in that steak there, a little bit of naan bread, and you are good to go.
Perfect. All right, Jana, where can we go for this recipe and many more?
Beefiswhatsfordinner.com is our go-to tool for all things beef.
And then you guys also have a promotion running as well.
Yes, we have a huge July Beef Month giveaway, and you can check out all the details at tnbeef.org.
Thank you so much, Jana.
Thank you. Happy Beef Month.